So we're going to start with an empty tank. It took a while to pull all the sand out, but once it's empty, it's clean. Pull all the extra sand and debris and algae, sanitize the system. Then we'll be ready to go ahead and start the reassembly. Today we're using 150-pound housing. The parts we're going to be looking at is the standpipe, the lateral hub assembly, which is this part right here, and then all these lateral fingers. Make sure there are none that are broken, that are bent. Make sure they're all in really good condition. Make sure all the dirt is cleaned out from inside of them, so we don't have the debris clogging the pathway for the water. Make sure that they're all secure, not bent. Measure for filter balls. We want to measure from the lateral assembly up 12 inches and place a mark. That is going to be the fill line. So measure from lateral assembly, put a permanent marker on the standpipe, and then we know what levels we need to get to. So in the Hayward system, they fold up nice and neat. So I've checked to make sure they're all in good working order. Everything is strong, no oxidation. Once they're in the housing, we will go ahead and fold them all down flat so it's like a daisy inside. All done. Now before we put the media in place, we need to make sure nothing goes down the standpipe. A couple of ways to do it. You can use a large rubber stopper. It fits in like that. You can use an old hose barb with a smaller stopper in it so it sits on top. Or if you have none of those devices, use a baggie. Put it over the top. Make sure your standpipe is in place. Select the correct media. Now, we're using FilterBalls Blue today, and we're going to put it inside the housing. Making sure nothing gets down the standpipe. Okay, I'll be a little short on media because we're just going to try to install it. So remove the baggie. So we're ready to put the 6-way or 7-way valve. A couple of things on the valve. You've got the gasket. You want to make sure that's lubed. You've got the restraining basket, which you want to make sure is securely in place so that when the water is put through filter mode, it doesn't blow that diffuser off the bottom and cause a problem during backwash. So once your gasket is all nicely lubed with Magic Lube or the lubrication of your choice, set it upon standpipe, place the valve in place. Take your C-clamps, control it, put it in, and secure it. And then the rest of the plumbing should already be attached. And that's how we install FilterBalls.